Your Excellency, Anthony Akol is my name. I joined your party NRM on 15th of February 2022. Your Excellency, sorry, I have high disadvantage. I want to correct only two issues. One, the budget of 159.5 is not only for Acholi sub-region, that was a budget for Acholi, Lango, and Teso. Two, the case in court, the court case is not Gadadera and 16 others, not 7 others. Thank you. Your Excellency, also I want you to know that many claimants did not register their claim because some of them were poor, and then the actually voted claimants needed some money to be paid, so that they were registered. Also, many of the claimants did not fill the data card, and therefore the list with the Attorney General is not comprehensive, because they did not have the money, but also at that time of compiling the list, there was political interference and many people did not register, did not fill the data cards. Your Excellency, livestock in Acholi was like a bank for the families, and every activities in Acholi, people would bank it in terms of animals. And therefore, since they lost the livestock, the education was affected. People even failed to marry, and that was a source of poverty in Acholi sub-region. Your Excellency, livestock compensation apart, we thought it is very important that you're in Acholi sub-region. We have to bring other issues that affect the people of Acholi sub-region. And Your Excellency, one is the issue of land conflict with the government. And a case in point is Acholi Ranch. Your Excellency, the leaders of Acholi strongly propose that government plan and programs Acholi Ranch should aim at benefiting the community in Acholi, improving the livestock farming, rather than individuals benefiting from Acholi Ranch, as it is done now. In addition, the government should work with the community to open the land boundary quickly to address the land conflict between government and the local community on issue of Acholi Ranch. Also, on issue of Acholi Ranch, we had a communication and discussions together with the Chief Coordinator of Operation Well Creation. There are other areas that it is on the northern side of Pagé, and that is more. The land titles should be cancelled so that people have rights over their land. Your Excellency, the last issue is about the land conflict. Your Excellency, we thank you once again for restoring relative calm in Aba and this financial year for allocating funds for operationalization of the Judicial Service Commission of Inquiry. Your Excellency, we request that the Judicial Commission Inquiry should interface with the stakeholders from both sides of Acholi and Mali sides, so that this conflict should be brought to a lasting solutions. Your Excellency, we also request that those who are arrested in this area of Apa on trumped charges, who are in jail in Adjumani and Arua, should be released. This issue was brought to your attention in Kuribaras before. You instructed for them to be released, but up to now they are still in prison. But also we request that those who occupied land of the Acholi and they are from Mali, and those who are occupying land of Mali and they are from Acholi, should retreat to their original land as this conflict is addressed. Your Excellency, we want to thank you on the issue of Paris Development Model. We want to thank you for the milestone initiative, which aims at restoring household production for subsistence level to money economy. Today, the 9 local governments of Acholi sub-region have received a total of 98 billion shillings. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, this money compared to other sub-regions is quite small, since we have few policies. You know, at the time of the war, when other sub-regions were concentrating on creating administrative units, the government here was struggling to bring peace. So the administrative units are very big compared to other sub-regions. Therefore, Your Excellency, our request is that one, the parishes in Acholi should be transformed to, the villages should be transformed to the parishes, so that we benefit like other sub-regions. But also considering the kind of poverty, the level of poverty in Acholi sub-region, we request that the amount should be extended from 100 million per parish to 200 million per parish. Your Excellency, the next issue is war victims. We are talking about the livestock compensation only, but the situation of war in Acholi directly affected the war victims of the LRA, but also some people who suffered during the war. Among them includes those who still have the bullets in their body, they need medical attention, and this should be immediate issue. Because many have been calling us requesting for operation, and I remember in March we also presented to you a list of about 37 people who are sodomized during the war who also needs operation. Above all, there are other compensations that we request that government should take it into consideration, apart from the livestock, in terms of people who were arrested and did not come back from captivity, and those who are killed by the government soldiers in Acholi sub-region. The list is long, we shall provide that. Your Excellency, the next issue is about NOSAF 4. We thank you, Your Excellency, that it has progressed very well, but the process has failed. NOSAF 4 was supposed to start on 1st of July, but to date it has not started because Cabinet have to approve and then come to Parliament for approval of the law. This process has taken long. The 90 days mandatory period by World Bank has expired. We request you to come in and intervene so that it starts immediately. Your Excellency, the issue about the roads. Most of the roads in Acholi sub-region are affected by the weather and has become impassable during rainy seasons. A case in point, I've been interacting with people from Agago. They had to suffer ways of coming to Gulu. They have to divert the direction because the roads are impassable. Your Excellency, as part of the socio-economic transformation of Acholi sub-region, we think that key roads have been earmarked and planned by government for upgrades and tarmacking in Acholi. However, the process has taken long. Therefore, we request, Your Excellency, the key roads are Gulu Moroto roads, Kitgum Machak roads, Lera Acholi Bu roads, Kitgum Kidebo roads. We have others like Awe Rhino Camp. We have Gulu Pala road, Kitgum Matiri Kalon road, and all roads leading to district local government administrative units headquarters be upgraded, earmarked for tarmacking. Your Excellency, we also want to remind you about your pledges in Acholi sub-region. The list here is not comprehensive, but we have the CT scan of Lacho Hospital that you pledge to help the people in northern Uganda, especially in Acholi sub-region, but to date it has not been implemented. We also have the issue of Kofonya Girl Secondary School in Atiak, where you started your struggle for peace in Uganda. Also, the issue of the buses for Kabo Secondary School and Atiak Technical School. These buses were taken in 1986 by the NRA. To date, after you instructed that the ministry should buy, nothing has done up to now. We also request that all these places, we are going to compile them and submit to your offices, Your Excellency. Finally, Your Excellency, there is issue of Operation Harmony that started in March. We were supposed to meet in May, then was extended to June. Today we have not met. We know that the issues in Operation Harmony, when handled and presented well, in implementation will go a long way to sort many issues in Acholi sub-region. Your Excellency, as stated by my colleague Okin Piodara, it is not easy to use this limited time to present all the issues of Acholi. These are the key that we have tried to present to you. However, we request that you allot time for key elders and selected youth from Acholi sub-region to come on a specific date so that these issues are discussed exhaustively. I thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you.